Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to download your digital content in Best Buy. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Best Buy, which of course I've done right here. Now, it's interesting to know that Best Buy is an American multinational consumer electronics retailer that leverages its unique combination of tech expertise and human touch to meet its customers' needs. Best Buy sells consumer electronics and a variety of related merchandise, including software. So now that we know a bit of what Best Buy is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to download your digital content in Best Buy. So from this homepage, I would like us to head over to the top corner where we have this, what can we help you find today? I want us to go to the digital library. Punch the enter button and it's going to take you to your digital library where you can now shop digital products. I'm going to show you how to download them. So you have this, all of this digital products. It's loading up. You can see it's labeled digital. So let's say I want this switch align expansion pack and digital membership digital. So click on that. I'm going to click on this product. So this is it. I clicked on the product and it took me here. So from here, I go ahead and click on add to cart. Now I want you to read this information here. It says your digital delivery is going to be available soon after purchase. That's after you've made the purchase of this. Now it says redemption information is emailed and available in your order details. Now redeeming US only, not returnable. So click on this add to cart. So two ways that you can download this product on your email, in your email. So the email that you use to sign up for Best Buy, go ahead and click on that. After making your purchase, you're going to find your redemption mail. So you can click on that in your email. You're going to find the details. So you can use your email to download, or you can even check your order history for you to download. Then clicking on add to cart so that we can buy this. I can choose a delivery method, either pick up at Sterling or free shipping. So that's pick up at any shop, or you can do free shipping. So once you're done, head over to order summary and click on checkout. So in this checkout page or this checkout window, you like to cross check to see your order summary. So this is your order summary. As you can see, I have two other products here, so you can just click on remove and remove from this cart. So it's just going to be left with your digital delivery. And once you do that, go ahead and click on continue to payment information. And once you click on that, it's going to take you to the payments window where you can now add your credit card or choose the payment method that is best for you. Now after doing that, don't forget you're going to have to head over to your email for you to check your redeemable, whatever they call that, for you to check your downloadable digital products. So once you check that, your email, you're going to see your downloadable digital product. And another way for you to do that is to head over to your order history, which I said I was going to show you how to get that. So once you get there, you can now click on the digital products tab and you find the digital product that you placed an order for. In there, you'll be able to download. So I'm going to head over to the home page for Best Buy by clicking on this Best Buy logo. So in here, click on order status at the top right corner. Now here you're going to have to click on see your past purchases, and it's going to take you to the purchase history window. So over here, head over to digital library. We have purchase service history and digital library. So I'll click on that. So this says my digital library is empty, but after going through the process of checking out and you have successfully purchased your digital product, it's going to be here, that your digital product is going to be here. So once you get there, you can head over here, locate the digital product, and you can see the download button. It's gonna be available for you to download here in your digital library. So two ways: head over to email to download, come over here to digital library, search the digital product, and download from here. So you can go about this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.